Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find reposted video on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you have reposted any video and now you want to find that, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Snapchat app, and here, for example, I'm going to repost a video. Simply open the spotlight and here select the video which you want to repost. As I have reposted this one, now you have to go back and here just tap on your profile in the top left corner, and here you have to scroll down until you find spotlight favorites or reposts. You must have to select view all, and here you will get all of your reposted videos. I have just reposted one, so I have this here. So in this way you can easily find all of your reposted videos on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.